Hey everyone, today I'm going to review Idrive and show you how this cloud backup and storage service works. So Idrive protects files from computers, phones, tablets, external drives, and supported servers. After creating an account and installing the app, choose the folders that you want to protect, start a backup, or schedule it automatically. So from the dashboard, you can check progress, view logs, manage devices, sync files, and restore lost or older versions. iDrive says that one account can cover multiple devices. Key features include 256-bit ES encryption, an optional private key, continuous protection for change files, snapshots, and recovery of up to 30 file versions. iDrive Express can also transfer large backups or restores using a shipped physical drive, which may help with slower internet connections. There is also a free 10 GB plan. Paid personal plans begin with 5 terabytes, while team and business plans add users, computers, servers, and management tools. Promotional prices may be lower than renewal rates, multi-device support, and value. However, Reddit and Trustpilot discussions are more mixed. Common complaints include slow first uploads, confusing archive or restore behavior, delayed support, and unexpected renewal or overuse charges. These issues do not affect everyone, but they are worth knowing. So overall, iDrive suits people who need large scheduled backups across several devices. Users only store a few files, want unlimited storage for one computer, or prefer a simpler restore process may not need it. It appears worth considering, but test the free plan and review the renewal terms first. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.